Wait, what's the date today, Dad? What's the date today? What's the date today, Greg?
July 4th.
July 4th. July 4th. Yeah, here we go.
In the words of my generation.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait. We got more of it.
Yeah, Greg. 4th of July. July 4th. What the heck? That's it.
Don't get to it.
That's it?
No.
That was bullshit.
No.
Oh, here we go. There we go. Yeah. And the time is 8:56 p.m. 4th of July. It's beautiful. I like that. Yeah. Bugs.
Yeah,
Hate these bugs, man. They're biting like crazy.
Yeah, they have illegal fireworks, skid loads, and that thing blew up.
Stupid bugs, man. Guys, you got bug spray? Well, that's it?
I just shit bugs.
Oh, Tommy just came back. There's no noise, though.
Just wait till we light that box. There's the noise.
It's pretty cool.
Have to go around it.
I thought it was going to go up in the air, Dad. I thought it was supposed to go up in the air.
Daniel, then you read instructions.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Happy now?
Badass, yeah. Fourth of July.
Every last little boop.
Yeah. Happy 4th of July, Greg. Happy 4th of July, right?
Happy 4th of July, dude.
4th of July. Hey, Greg.
Alright, I'll like this one. No, Dad, I'm gonna move it, yeah.
I'm recording, so I'm gonna record this shit. I'm gonna light my rockets. I wanna light the.
Yeah, here. Give me that later. What
Here, that's right.
And someone record this.
I gotta record it. Wait.
I'm recording right now.
That was a better camera.
Hey, Greg.
Sorry. Hey, you can't record on two cameras. Someone?
Okay. So how?
Oh God, I'm trusting Daniel with my phone.
Okay. How do I?
You press the record button. The
I'm
red
recording still. I'm still recording too. So.
one. Cool.
All right, hang on a minute, Greg. Hang on a minute.
Find a wig.
Hang on, guys.
Daniel, stay clear. Daniel,
Yeah, I know.
that thing's gonna be loud.
Recording. All right.
Grand finale firework.
Yeah. You better get the hell out of here. Daniel.
Yeah, badass. That's gonna be badass. Yeah. Yeah. America! 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 Yeah. 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 That's bad. Yeah. Greg.
That's it?
That's it?
Oh, that was
Aw, man.
That was nice.
That's very nice.
Yeah, that
Recording.
was
So that was 4th of July weekend, which is Sunday.
that was pretty cool.
How do I stop it? Like, Greg, come here.
Stop.
I can't do it because I got both. You got it?
That's cool. I can flip it.
All right, let me.
Okay, you're gonna
Hey, Greg, can you, I'm gonna let my last one. Dad, can you hold this?
I'll hold it, but
Still recording.
can I drop it now?
That was yeah, look.
Have to
Can you record me?
go. Yeah, I'm recording you then.
Don't touch the box.
It's hot.
That was a lot of gunpowder to use in that fucking thing. That was pretty cool, actually, that they were able to fit
Yeah.
it all in one box. Oh, he has more of those, okay.
Ready? Record.
Yeah.
Record. Record it. Pretty cool.
Oh,
It
Didn't blow up.
One more rocket. One more rocket.
okay.
You guys ready for one more rocket?
You want to sit on it, Daniel?
These are powerful.
Well, sit on it. We see how far you're gonna go.
You want me to sit on it?
No, no.
You're not Steve-O.
Record it, Dad. All the way up.
Come on.
Record it, Dad.
Back. Oh,
Everyone,
That's pretty
Use your
good.
camera.
4th of July weekend. 4th of July. Independence Day, everybody. Flash Gordon.
Independence Day.
Subscribe to Flash Gordon.
okay.
Thank you,
10
everybody.
for
4th of July. Yeah, we lit up. Oh, the bar rocket. We still got the bar rockets.
Those are all you did.